Yo, what's up, guys? And welcome again. My name is Promoter, aka The Machine. And today, guys, we're unboxing a box from Temu. I thought that's how we do the video like that, guys. We're unboxing something from Temu, so please do like the video, guys. Comment below. I need you to subscribe also because this box I need to cover myself. It might be a sham, it might be a scam. We'll see together. I don't want to get this video started.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome again, guys. Today, guys, we are unboxing a box from Temu. And better story. Charlo, Charlo has been staying with us, and he's the only kid with us. His brother is in KZN, so we don't normally go to KZN as much. But he's always watching TV and stuff, so we introduced Charlo to some music things where he must learn music, and we interact with other people, teachers, and also trying to get him to do some extracurricular services. And also, we have this piano here, which was this toy piano, which when I went to school and says, okay, we have something at home, a piano, so he's gonna learn a piano from home and come back to you and do your 1 hour session, and like teacher's like, nah, that's not a piano. So I checked the prices online. You guys are paying 13,000 rand for a piano, 7,000 rand for a piano. I'm like, it's just a kid. I don't like anything expensive. I just want something cheap. Anyway, story that Temu came to my views when I was scrolling up. I think Temu is scamming me because it like knows what I need. And I saw this thing. I was like, okay, let me just get it. Let's see how it is. And it's here. We have a piano from Temu. We'll see how it is. I hope I read all the instructions correctly because sometimes the dotted lines are not always dotted. I hope it works. I hope it is here. But it's a big box, so yeah. If you're supposed to be long like this, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a bit skeptical about. Anyway, let's start opening it up, guys. There's a lot of tape, and also they damaged the box a bit. I'm hoping just the box that they damaged, not the equipment inside or the fake equipment if it's fake. Because if it's fake, then at least it's usable. I'm happy as long as it makes noises. And it's good. Anyway, got the box open. First thing. Ooh. We got, this thing. You put your music book on and then, okay. Music book on thing. Okay, promising. Scam vibes, minus 1%. Still 98% scam vibes, We put it on the side, guys. And we got a bag. Oh, we got a bag. Again, it's small. The piano's not like this. It's like this Shiloh's one. We'll see. Scam increased. Okay, there is something in front of me which looks exciting. Oh, scam minus 50%. I'm still not sure. So let me try to pull it up, guys. Okay, let's put this here. We'll look at it in a few seconds. We got some sort of cabling here. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. Oh, it's that thing, for your foot, About when you play piano to make the keys last longer. For those who know piano, I'm smart, man. I know the things, but that thing to make the piano last longer. Yeah, this is it. Minus 25% of scammage in my brain, Yeah, I'm still impressed. Also, there's some sort of instructions inside the book here on how everything's connected and working. And also I need some coffee because damn, my heart attack is heart attacking. My scam, when they decrease, my excitement goes up. Okay, last thing, we have this thing which is written in Chinese and English and all other languages which I can't even find in English. Okay, first thing. This is called a foldable piano. Okay. It comes with the power cord, then volume up, down, sound, choose different sound instruments, record use functionality. Ooh. Okay, we can record music, guys. And also, it's a MIDI keyboard and lighting, teaching, easy to carry, play piano games. Okay, that's what you get from the box, nothing else. That's screaming, but it's Temu, guys. I always have my scam alert vibes going around beyond 90%, but let's see the piano, guys. And also, since it's foldable, I'm hoping I will not damage it. we're gonna remove the soft cushion, which feels weird. And let's remove this other soft cushion. And also, where's the end that goes out here? Okay, this end. Okay. It looks exciting. My stem's vibe are decreasing. Okay, now we have to undress this. Looks like it's a proper piano. Looks like a proper piano. I don't know. My stem vibes are still scamming, but it looks like a proper piano. But we will see. Okay, we'll remove the stuff. I think I need this thing inside. I just want to show you how it looks like. There's a plastic inside that I think I'm gonna keep. Yeah, it's a plastic inside, guys, that holds the bottom of the piano, so that I think it doesn't get damaged. But this is it. And now let's unfold it, which is gonna be interesting. Oh wow! Okay, scam vibe. Okay. God damn, okay, this is big. Oh wow, can it fit in this table? I don't think it can fit in my table, but we're just gonna leave it be here like this. Okay, piano is here and it's not on. And also, when you look at the keys are this thick. If I say thick, I mean they're not small, they are thick like piano keys, you know? But to verify if it's true or not, we need to connect it, and I don't know how to connect it, but anyway. Okay, I see orders, MP3, I see SAS, I do not SAS me. There's a button, there's a thing called SAS there. Okay, how do you connect this thing? Power on. I don't know, guys, some noise is happening. I have to figure out how to, oh wait, is it USB maybe? Maybe it's USB to Type-C, that kind of vibe, you know? Let's get, oh, there's a USB to Type-C. And now I have to find a way of connecting it. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on my stove here. First, let's test if it's hot or not. Okay, stove is not hot. Okay. Ooh. Okay, stove is here. And I'm connecting here. And I have to connect it to the USB, I think. Okay. I don't know. Oh wait.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Wait, guys, wait, there's a tape here. Okay, first tape is out. Second tape is out. Okay. Increase the volumes. I think I'm on the next volume. Okay, the black keys are working, so now some for the white keys. Okay, 88 keys seems to be working, and also I used to remember this. I can't remember now. Okay, at school they taught us this. I tried. That's Shallow's keys, I think. Okay, guys, I'm gonna also learn how to use it. But yeah, let's connect everything, guys. Let's connect everything. It's not connected fully, and I think we need to connect this. I don't know how it goes up here. Oh wait, I think I know. There's some two holes here. Yeah. Okay. And also, guys, you can change the piano. There's some demos here. I bought. Okay, that's a demo. It's not me. It's not me, guys. Okay, that's enough. So. I don't know how to, but anyway, I'm just showing you guys. And also, I think there is tone. What is tone? Tone. I don't know what's tone. Choir. Yeah, this is what is a piano for real, guys. And also. And also we can follow the ticks now as well. I'm trying, it sounds so good, guys, that we're gonna have to learn, guys. At least they have the tone, and also you can record. There's some other modes that I have not figured out how to work, because apparently you can record on this thing. I don't know how it works. Let's see. I said record. Okay, I don't know how record works, but we're still gonna figure it out, guys. But yeah. Okay, that's enough because it's going to be copyrighted music and stuff. So basically, we got the stuff from Temu, guys. I will not put the link below because I can't remember the link. If I remember the link, I'll try to put it below, guys, and see how it is. If you want yours, I think it's around, I think 1.9. So 1,900 to get this piano. It does sound like the 7,000 Rand piano, which is cheaper than everything. And also on Facebook Market, it's 4,000. So on Temu, 1.9. They might increase the price because you know Temu. They say 0 Rand. They have to invite 25 billion people to get it. Oh, it just discount. Just click the ad. Yeah. Anyway, I got this from Temu, guys. It's 1.9, and I feel like it's worth it. So tell me if you think about it, guys. Tell me below, is it worth it or not? I'm not a pianist, I got this for my son that he can learn music, but I'll also learn music. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please, click the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Also leave a like and just leave the comments below, guys. Yeah, I need to pay for this thing, so yeah, leave the comments below. Tell us, and also share some ideas on how to learn how to play piano, because my son cannot learn if I don't learn also. But we need to learn. We need to balance this. All right, we'll see you guys when you're out and about doing other things, traveling, enjoying life. All right, yeah, goodbye, bye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.